Huwa shairun. He is a poet. So we've got the same huwa here. Third person singular. So that's our Zamir, which is Mubtada, Sha'irun, indefinite, and that's our khabar. He is a poet. Um, because when our Prophet started having this revelation, and it kind of, because it kind of sounded like poetry, um, it's an eloquent, lofty prose which attracts um, people who hear it, who read it, and it sounded like poetry. So they said, "Oh, he is a poet. He has made it all up himself," kind of thing. So this is part of a big ayah again, which is Surah Anbiya, ayah number 45. Similarly, huwa mubtada sha'irun khabar. He is a poet. Um, our next example is hum kafiruna. So this Surah Tawbah, ayah number 55. Hum is our damir here, which is just like this, third person plural and masculine. So third person plural masculine, because this is plural, khabar has to be plural as well. So kafirun is a singular and kafiruna is plural. In Quran it is written like this. You can, outside Quran you can write like that, kafiruna, but in Quran it has to be written like this, kafiruna. So this is definite, that is indefinite. This is not al kafiruna. You know, in that ayah, kul ya, in that surah, kul ya ayyuhal kafirun, al kafirun. So this is not definite. This is indefinite. There's no al there. So kafiruna will be in rafa, and we know that kafirina, nasab and jar. So hum kafiruna, and they are um, disbelievers. It is again part of a bigger ayah. And the point to make here is that this is plural and khabar is also plural. Uh, this is muzakkar and khabar is also muzakkar. So hum kafiruna, they are disbelievers. It's part of a big ayah again. You can look at the ayah yourself and look at the translation as well. We're going to kind of save time here. So these are few examples of these damair from Quran, and they will help you to understand them when you put them in the right context and see how these damair work in a sentence or in a bigger ayah. When we have started analyzing different ayah of Quran, then we will go through the whole ayah, analyze the whole ayah, and see how that sentence then fits in and makes part of the whole ayah. One final point here is that we have seen that these damair, they are written separately in an ayah and in a sentence. They are not joined together with another word, for example. So they're written alone, separate as a standalone kind of ism, and that's why they are called Zamair Munfasila. Zamair Munfasila. Munfasila, it's from fasila. Those who know Urdu, they know that what fasila is, which basically means distance between 2 points. So there is a distance between this word and that word. So they're written separately. So they're Damair Munfasila because of that. Just in case if you started following a grammar book, you will see this terminology in the grammar book. And because they take the place of Mubtada, and Mubtada is always in Rafa, so they have been considered to be in Rafa. So then the name becomes, because they are in place of rafa, in the slot of rafa, so they are marfu. So the full term will be damair marfu'a munfasila. Damair marfu'a munfasila. That's the term which we are going to see in different grammar books. Because there is another set of damair which are written joined to another word, and that word could be, it could be harf, it could be fail, it could be an ism. So they are kind of joined with other words, and there's a different terminology to describe them. We are going to kind of look on those damair next time, inshallah. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.